Hi everybody and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. It's nice to have you back here again practicing with me as we're going to have a closer look on how to bear your weight in standing poses. And for today's practice, I've chosen the standing pose Virabhadrasana 1, that's the Warrior 1 pose. And what you need for today's practice is a chair, stable and heavy, your mat, good intentions as always. And then I would say, let's step on our mat and let's practice. So you take your chair and place it on the mat and make sure that half of the chair is on the mat and half of the chair off. And then you sit down on the first a third of the chair, so quite in front of the chair, and feel the sitting bones heavy down. You sit tall up and then you move to the side so that your front foot is placed to the edge of the mat and the back foot you place at the edge of the mat as well. So here you can check if your hips are facing to the front, facing forward. That is important. And I guess then you have a more or less 90-degree angle between your legs. Place one hand on the chair, the other one you might want to leave on your hips just to make sure that you don't move them too much forward or backward. So the upper part of your body stays very calm and quiet. So today we were just wanting to pay a lot of attention to our legs and here in particular to our back leg. So the thigh of the front leg is supported by the chair, so quite at ease, not doing literally a lot. And now I want you to place just the ball of the big toe of your back foot on the mat. Heel is up. And then I want you to think of bringing the back inner heel down and see what happens. And you always have to adjust a bit. See what happens when you want to lengthen the back leg, placing the weight onto it. Because in standing poses and in this one here, your support, your anchor is the back leg. So the upper part of the body is really at ease, relaxed, and then feel what is happening when you start pressing the big ball of the toe and the inner heel, back foot down. You try to lengthen the leg and automatically something wants to lift up, so you allow that to happen. Hip bones facing the front. And then you might have lifted up from the chair slightly, keep the hand on the chair. And then just feel the back leg, how it wants to lengthen more and more, because you want to bring the inner heel more and more down. So a lot of back leg work, I would say, and hopefully you can feel the anchor. This is what is keeping you stable in that pose. So really doing a lot less, more from within, and very stable. So 2 feet, mainly the back leg and back foot, are stabilizing this pose. And if you feel stable, you might want to bring your hands to the front, to the chest. Don't change anything. Feel your feet, feel your legs. Exhale, even feel more the rooting, connecting downward. And then you inhale along the spine into your rib cage. Lift up your hands and arms and bring them up. And now you could even feel that there are 2 directions. So exhaling, going down, feeling the rooting of your legs and feet, and inhaling the lightness of your body as of going up. Keep your core, keep your center, navel in, and then you exhale and you bring the arms and hands down. Keep one hand again on the chair and bend the back leg so you can relax the front thigh on the chair and come back. And then turn to the front. Relax, inhale, exhale. And then change legs and go to the other side. So like always, I hope that this little insight of mine gave you something to move forward on your own yoga journey. And I really hope that you could feel that your legs serve as an anchor and support in standing poses. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be back again, and I hope you do the same. Until then, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.